going to start with our very simple groove with our bass drum on 1, our snare drum on 2, our bass drum on 3, and our snare drum on 4. Watch this. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that groove and we're going to change it into a completely different groove utilizing our right hand. So our right hand right now is just playing eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What we're going to do is we're going to take our right hand and we're going to double that speed to essentially make them 16th notes, depending on what type of measure or bar you're playing. So watch this. I'm going to start with the basic groove of eighth notes, and then I'm going to throw my right hand into a double time type of pattern on my hi-hat to create 16th notes. Here we go. So how I'm doing that, it takes a lot of practice, and you have to know what you're doing to be able to practice this correctly. So that's where I'm going to help. We're going to start with our right hand and we're going to start slow counting these 16th notes out, just like this. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Once you get that down at that speed, try to add your bass drum and snare drum. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Once you have it done with that speed, try speeding it up. We're going to start again just with our right hand, trying a little bit faster with the 16th notes, and then throwing our bass drum and snare drum behind it. Here we go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Pretty cool rhythm, especially if you're only used to playing eighth notes on your right hand. I really suggest trying to spice up your grooves, spice up what you're playing with your band or in your garage to something like this with those 16th notes. Here is a real life application of how I use it. Here we go. Hey, thanks for sticking around towards the end of the video. If you would like to take private one-on-one lessons with me, we could do online or here at the studio. Just call the number that you see on your screen or comment down below in the comment section. Thank you so much.